Hi everyone, Kasha here. Today I'm going to teach you how to create word scramble activities for your students. We are actually going to create two variations today. All right, so this is our home page for our SIA Boardmaker Online account. I'm going to click on My Boardmaker and then on Create Activity. On the left-hand side here in the green, those are all of the embedded templates that the program offers. We are going to click on Word Study and then Word Scramble. I encourage you to review the samples for many reasons. One, sometimes the template is not what you're looking for. And two, they provide you with some good examples of what you can create for your students. So let's take a look at the sample. And I'm going to press play. Okay, so it asked me to spell the word pond. Let's check the answer. Okay, so this is the activity template that I would like to use. So I'm going to exit out and select it. Okay, so these are the activity settings. And again, this might look very overwhelming, but I promise you the more activities you create, the more confident you will become in these settings. I encourage you just to go row by row and read the description column. Most of the settings will stay as is, but you can make some minor changes to help modify certain activities. All right, let's look at the first row, which is our word list. And it says we can enter up to 20 words. All right, so let's double click the middle column. Okay, and this table seems pretty simple. It has a word column, picture column, and then if we want to use the word or not, which I'm just going to keep as true for all of them. Okay, let's start typing in our words. I'm using words again from our fast forward list. I am using some of the words from the second group of words though. And I am not going to spell 20 words. I'm just going to use 5 for now, just so you have an idea of how this works. Okay, so we have our 5 words, and now I'm going to add our symbol. And I'm actually going to web search weekly spelling words. Excellent. This is the one I want to use. And I actually downloaded that picture onto my desktop. It will be faster for me to include here. So I'm just going to use the same picture for all of these words. So I'm going to click Browse. Okay, almost done. Oh, browse. Okay, so we are done here. I'm going to press OK. Random order, yes. Shuffle letters, yes. Okay, so like I said, you're going to keep most of these settings as is. Let's click Save. And our activity is all done. So let's play and see what it looks like. Okay, so we have our picture up here, just weekly spelling words, and it's asking us to spell the word and. Okay, so now it asks us to spell the word you. I wanted to listen to the word again, so I pressed the button in the corner here. Let's check answer. Okay, this is exactly how I wanted the program to be. So I'm going to return to design mode, and I'm going to click on File, Save Activity As. All right, let's put Word, Scramble. I'm going to list the words. You, with, and send. And I'm going to write no help, and I'll explain this in 1 second. Okay, save it. And let me just move this window aside this way. And you will see that our activity is saved and it's ready to be assigned to students. But before I exit out of this activity template, I'm just going to now go back and edit it to make it a little bit easier for some of those students that might need another visual. So I'm going to click this box right here, and I'm going to go back into activity settings. Double click that, and I'm going to go back to the table we created, and I'm going to edit the pictures. So this time I'm going to actually put a picture of the word I want the student to spell. Okay. Almost done. 2 more. That. Okay. And the last one is said. Excellent. So I'm going to press OK. And I'm going to press save. And I'm going to press play up here in the top right, just to make sure that everything still works just like we wanted it to. Excellent. So the word that is up here. It's telling us to spell the word. We have the letters down here. Awesome. This is now a version for some of those students that require that extra support. And it's just repetition and practice for them. So I love this second activity as well. So I'm going to return to design mode. I'm going to go File, Save Activity As, and I'm going to save it as Word Scramble. I'm going to list the words again. So you, with, and that said. And I'm going to write with Q. Just saying that there's a cue or there's a prompt to make the activity a little bit easier. I'm going to save it. Okay, I'm going to exit out of this. We're done designing. We saved our work. Okay. And here we see now an autosave. So I'm going to delete the autosave version. Usually it's missing many areas of the activity. Okay. And now we have our most recent activities. We have the no help version, and then we have the one with the cue. And now you're ready to assign to students. Okay, that was pretty easy and quick to create 2 activities. So good luck. And if you have any questions, as always, please feel free to reach out. Thanks, everyone. Bye.